with me to do gardening with someone who doesn't know how to garden at all. So this is a new plant. I have no clue what I'm doing. That's our garden. So we got pavement, and then in the side you can garden. And currently I think this is multi flower rose. They are nothing, and this one is rose. We already had one bloom here, cut yesterday. I don't know what is this. Maybe this is rose, maybe not. I don't know. This is rose for sure. I don't know what is this. And that looks so gross. What is it? There's something bugs in there. I don't know what is it. And then actually, I don't know what is it at all. So come with me to find out, how I'm doing. How did I do? I'm gonna transform the whole garden. So this side will be flower. Sorry, this side will be fruit. This is a raspberry. This one will be fruit, raspberry. And then this one, blueberry. That's a gooseberry. That's strawberry. That's apple. And that's one of the flower. I don't know. It's from my friend's house, but it's dying. I don't know if it's dying or not. And the other one is orchid. We need to fix the drain. It looks like, I don't know, it's gross. But I have ordered artificial grass for this. So you're gonna put the sand on, and then we're going to put the garden black clothes on, and then we're gonna put the artificial grass here. Obviously we need to clean this thing before we start. Then we're going to have flower baskets here, like a raising flower pots here. So this will go, and then this area will be all fruits and vegetable, and this will be my flowers. I don't know what is this trees. I think some kind of cherry, and then later we're going to paint this one, and we're going to have my swing, I think somewhere here in the sun, and there will be a table where we're gonna eat, the dining table and stuff. This is greenhouse. There's a new greenhouse, but we put all sort of like rubbish, the storage in there. So this will be moving here, and then we're going to decorate this side with we haven't decided, but there will be furniture here, artificial grass here, flower here, fruits here, flowers there as well. And then I bought a compost, wheel, which will go here. All the compost wheel will go. My garden is actually far back too. If you see other side, it's a far end. So there is a wall. So we have called builder to build a wall. There's a bee. I'm scared of bee, but I think if I want to do gardening, I have to get used to it bee and him. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Or definitely my husband will help me out. So yeah, we'll see. Thank you for watching.